Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about everything Kaspa, giving you guys my daily analysis on the price. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If we're looking at the entire market today, guys, the market is looking amazing, especially altcoins. Altcoins are definitely having their time right now. You could pretty much see across the board, and some coins that did not move throughout the last 3 to 4 months are finally starting to pop out. So, we could really see, the excitement in terms of the altcoin market. As far as Kaspa is concerned, it's up 5.4% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. That's a huge thumbs up on that. If we're looking at the price, currently sitting at 17 cents, up 3.8% in BTC comparative as well over the past 24 hours. Now, if we're looking at its market cap, it's approaching the $3.9 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $30 million. Not bad at all. We will definitely take that. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So we're going to start off with BTC right now, of course. So just about, you could say 15 minutes back, we have seen the daily candle close for the day of February the 24th. And we are seeing BTC pushing back up to $52,000 slowly but surely. So we pretty much saw, a triple bottom, you could pretty much say, at $50,652, and we're seeing this upside, which is really nice to see, especially knowing that, CME futures are closed. We do tend to see more manipulation across the board in the cryptocurrency market during the weekends, but, you're looking at Bitcoin holding absolutely amazing, starting to consolidate around this $51,000 to $52,000 mark. So things are definitely looking in terms of Bitcoin's overall momentum, and we are approaching, the Bitcoin halving, which is literally, I would say, a month and a half away from, today. So now if we're looking at Bitcoin dominance, now this right here, I pointed this out in my Cardano update as well as my ICP update. I was giving you guys an indication about this. This right here is a huge reason as to why we're seeing altcoins right now in green. Altcoins outpacing Bitcoin, and honestly, to be quite frank with you, that is due to Bitcoin dominance going down. And of course, we will definitely take that. But now let's shift our focus towards Kaspa itself, see what is happening with Kaspa, and of course, what is yet to come. So looking at the price of Kaspa, it's seeing this beautiful bounce, especially after having that consolidation, the cool off. We're seeing a beautiful bounce right now, approaching that 17 cents mark. We will definitely take that. And speaking about the 17 cents mark, we did see the price of Kaspa closing back into the 23.6 Fibonacci, the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level today, and that is showing us positive momentum. Now let's shift our focus towards the hourly time frame, and then we will analyze the charts up from there on. So let me go on the hourly. There we are. So let me just bring that down. Oopsies, that's not what we need to do. There we go. So what you're looking at is obviously that pullback we saw due to Bitcoin seeing a little bit of a retracement, which impacted the entire market. And of course, as I've mentioned to you guys before, Kaspa is no exception. But look at where we got supported by. We got supported at 16 cents, and of course we have support built up around there. So beautiful, touch at the support, and look at this bounce that we're seeing happening right now. Speaking about the bounce, we are up about 7% from the price level where we were just a few hours back. So definitely something nice to see. The resistance that we were facing, which was our previous all-time high at once, obviously we have broken out of that exact resistance. This is turning into support, which you could see this for yourself right now. But main target remains at 17.4 cents to re-enter back into the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level and pushing towards newer all-time highs. I still think that Kaspa's overall momentum has not slowed down at all, and especially now that altcoins are exploding, I think Kaspa can really take advantage of this move and actually push more towards levels we are anticipating around 20 cents. We did touch almost 19 cents. So, 20 cents is not out of the blue. Speaking about a 20 cents price target for Kaspa, that would be a move of about 18.2% from the current price level. So of course, right now, where you guys want to be looking at Kaspa, where you want to see Kaspa is in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And I did indicate in my previous Kaspa update that, if the price of Kaspa wants to trade in the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, so be it. Totally okay, because guess what? This is going to strengthen its support. So I wouldn't even mind if the price consolidates around here like this and then pops out towards all-time high. That could also be a really bullish move in my books regarding that. So, Kaspa is looking quite interesting, loving what I'm seeing. Of course, this project, as you guys know, is extremely, extremely hyped up. And at the end of the day, guys, believe it or not, hype plays a major role. Hype is a huge factor, when it comes to the bull market. Projects that have hype do tend to do better than projects that don't. And sometimes other projects might be better than projects that are extremely hype, but they don't get the spotlight because, of course, hype isn't there. People are not looking at it. But Kaspa has, the hype factor, the technology factor, and of course, could be massive if it actually does what it's doing and if it's able to get adopted like Ethereum has and like, the big boys in terms of layer ones. If it's able to pull that off, this could be a huge thing in the near future. And that's what people are excited about, right? At the end of the day, people are speculating on Kaspa, saying that, Kaspa is going to be the next Solana, Ethereum. Again, that's a huge statement to make. That's a huge statement. There's a lot of pressure for Kaspa right now. But, this bull market, anything can happen. I think Kaspa is moving in the right direction. It's sending shockwaves through the crypto space. Reason as to why I'm saying this is sending shockwaves through the crypto space is because this project has pulled a $4 billion market cap without being listed on any of the top tier 1 exchanges. Only one that I could say is a KuCoin. Besides that, it's still missing that massive amounts of volume. And, people are aware of what Kaspa is doing. And I think it's going to really benefit it as we do go further into this bull market. So that's how I'm currently taking a look at Kaspa. Let me know down below what you guys think. Where do you see Kaspa compared to its competitors? That's the comment that I want you guys to let me know in the comments. Like, where do you see Kaspa compared to Solana, compared to Polygon Matic? Of course, Polygon Matic is a layer 2, but where do you see it compared to like ICP? Let me know in the comments down below. And of course, if you guys want to see more Kaspa updates, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button. And if you want to see other content, what are you waiting for? Let me know in the comments down below and I will actually bring that for you guys. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for all your support. We'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX and peace out.